While I was sitting on the register, there was this lady talking to the cashier. And on the next till, there was this little blonde, blue-eyed girl. And she was staring at me with her endless blue eyes and just trashing everything on the till. And apparently the young mom finally decided to intervene, and she was like, Jessica, please don't do that. Jessica, be a mommy's good girl. Jessica, Jess, baby, honey, don't, please don't. Jessica, don't, please. With ill to no effect, of course. And by this time, she decided to switch her tactic, and she went to the luggage area, where there's the metal doors that handle all the luggage, and she just turned to us and just fucking slammed the door in. And she kept doing it again and again and again and again. And the mom was like, honey, please don't. Be a good girl. Jessica. Anna. Susan, please don't. And this time the cash register lady decided to step in. She was like, Jessica? Sweetie? Did you write your letter to Santa yet? No. You do know you have to be a good girl to write Santa a letter, right? Mm-hmm. And are you a good girl right now? No. Well, if you stop doing that, you'll be a good girl, and then you can write a letter to Santa. She's like, yay! And it's not like this stunt didn't automatically mean skin-to-skin contact on your face. And as my cousin once said, back in the day, only the hip parents disciplined their kids in home. And we did turn out great. Well. And that reminded me of a lovely story just before I got there, and it was like a 5-year-old boy asking Grandpa and Daddy a question for Santa. So, Daddy and Grandpa? Can I write something to Santa? Will he give me everything? Yes, son. Of course. Okay, do you know what is like PlayStation 11,075? Yes, son, I have heard of it. Quite costly. Yes, do you think I can get it if I write it in my letter to Santa? Well, son, you're old enough to know a universal truth in life. Well, Santa doesn't exist.